just made it past TSA. Now I am headed to my gate. It's like 4:30 in the morning. I'm supposed to be waiting for my friend. She was supposed to be here. I've called her like 3 times. She didn't answer the phone. So hopefully she will answer or she will show up. Alright, I'm on a flight to Jamaica. My homegirl missed her flight, so she's gonna have to come tomorrow. So please fill your items while you have. All right, just landed back in Jamaica for the 3rd time, and of course I'm with Red Carpet Tour.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Hey,
we're back in there.
Bomba Clot. Alright, YouTube. You come to Jamaica, you gotta get you some beef patty. I've been waiting for so long for these. I already done started drinking my rum, so I'm feeling good, y'all. Alright, so I'm just going to give you a quick room tour. I've already started kind of unpacking, so you'll see stuff kind of over the place. This is the living dining room area. It's a nice, very nice aesthetic. Oh, it's so cute. It's upgraded. It's modernized. This is an Airbnb. There's the kitchen with upgraded appliances. Like I said, excuse, I'm already starting to get unwind and everything. Upgraded appliances, has a bar, also has washer and dryer connections, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This room is going to be Tasha's room. She has a TV in her room, and it has a lot of closet space. Very nice and chic, and like I said, very modernized. And then to the right of the laundry area is her bathroom. Modernized, upgraded shower, upgraded everything in here is just so nice and upgraded. And then here is my room. As you guys see, I already started like kind of unpacking a little bit. I don't have a TV in my room, which is fine because I'm not going to be watching really a lot of TV anyway. It's a TV in the living room and it's a TV in Tasha's room. So if I want to watch TV, I can. Here is the bathroom, upgraded shower and everything. Just so freaking cute and nice closet space. So that's the end of that. All right, YouTube. So this is the first night in Jamaica, and this is what I'm wearing. I'm not gonna step back super far. Just a cute little dress. It's Tuesday, so I'm not gonna really do much. So I just put on a little dress for the night. Probably gonna have some drinks. That's about it. Dress is from Shein. Alright, YouTube, I am just got ready to head out. My driver's gonna pick me up at 8. If you ever come to Jamaica, this is the drink of choice. I mix that with boom. It's gonna get you right every time. My homegirl missed her flight, so she will be here tomorrow. We're gonna pick her from the airport. So right now I'm just solo dolo, but you guys know I've been to Jamaica before, so I'm good. I'm all right. I'm about to we're gonna head out and just have a drink, probably get some food, and not do too much tonight. But I'll bring you along with the process. Yeah, I got my beef patty. I've been on that rum, eating my beef patty. I'm up here vibing in this Airbnb.
What's the man like this?
Hello, me deserve it. A long time we had feet.
Yes, sir. You know what's the music on the wall.
Them can't get me out with too real. A part of the lead man never complain the journey.
I live in a move on the beach. You block the house. I was doing what I was supposed to do. The way she Yeah, my sitting down here. Give when it was supposed to give. Because I was doing what I was supposed to do.
Hey!
Yeah, but like this driver, fuck.
Don't try this at home.
Alright, if you ain't coming to Jamaica, be like this. Don't come, y'all. This right here. You see this right here? You see this motherfucker right here?
We are from Texas tonight. Texas, Jamaica on the ride. I'm gonna turn that here. I'm gonna say Jamaica.
So this is the outfit for the day. This is my swimsuit, going to the beach. Of course, always serving plus size goodness. Put it on, baby, put it on. I'm actually gonna put some jean shorts on under here, and then I have a visor that I'm gonna put on. And so, of course, so let's get some sheets. So after I go to the beach, we're gonna go pick up my homegirl from the airport. I just didn't want to sit around and do nothing until she got here. She didn't get here until 3, and she said, "Go ahead and go to the beach." We're gonna be here a week, so alrighty. All right, YouTube, day officially 2 in Jamaica, headed to the beach. Of course, I'm with the infamous red carpet tours.
Yeah,
Ooh, I got some food in my teeth. But if you trying to have the best time of your life in Jamaica, man, book with Red Carpet Tours, headed to the beach, get some fun in the sun. Got my fresh mangoes. It started.
You need some pictures like that.
It started raining. But we don't stop. They don't stop the fun. All right, so I'm out here in Jamaica on Doctor's Cove Beach, and we ran into an interesting fella. What is your name, sir? Tell you to.
Brett.
Brett. He's cool as hell. And here's just a few pictures that we took. Me and Mr. Brett. He was funny. This picture is of me out on the beach, chilling, vibing, just enjoying myself. The Jamaican vibes, the Jamaican beach. I was just taking it all in until we head to go pick up Tasha. I really enjoyed my beach.
Hold on. I never seen it before. The shirt, nice.
You seen him last night?
No, I didn't see the shirt. I didn't look at it. Yo. Can I get one?
Oh, guess who finally made it to Jamaica? Had me all lonely for a whole fucking day. Tasha done made it. Oh, yes. And if you're not speaking patois, don't talk to her.
Period.
All right, YouTube. You can't come to Jamaica without getting some oxtails, rice and peas, macaroni. It's about to go down, y'all. I'm hungry. I've been at the beach and stuff all day, so it's time to eat. All right, YouTube. So we just had a few drinks and went to a lounge and just vibed out. I just took a few pictures. I really didn't do a lot of recording. Then we the driver had like some biker friends, so we were just taking pictures with bikes, and it was just a cool little chill night. It was Wednesday, so it wasn't really any much of planned. And then next morning I made breakfast, so that was pretty much it. All right, YouTube. Today is river rafting day. This is my outfit. It's given everything. It's giving very much Rastagal. This piece is from Shein as well. Now I can't say that there's no support in here. So if you got girls, you know, some medium to big girls, you want to make sure that you tighten it up. I feel like I gotta tighten it up a little bit more so they can be a little bit more secure. So it doesn't cover up the whole butt, but it's like a swimsuit cover up. So when we get to the raft, I'll be recording more. All right, we on our way down Pondy River to go river rafting. Tasha, second day. Turn up. Of course, we got red carpet tours every day. We meet you at the river.
On the river, man. You never ever have to worry about no government, nobody.
They don't know.
Watch out! Jesus! What pink shots?
What go on, Pete?
What a woman, beautiful!
All right, so we're on the river. We're about to go river rafting. Get that limestone massage with Smiley.
Yes!
Again.
Welcome to the great river. Fresh water, sweet water. Yeah.
Is it deep?
Only some spot.
Okay.
We're not going to the kill zone today, right?
Okay.
We stay in the safe zone.
Okay.
All right?
Because I want some snaps.
He gonna take pictures, are you? He gonna take pictures. Smiley got you. So when you go to Jamaica and you do a river rafting, make sure you book with Red Carpet Tours and come with Smiley. Huh? They always sing that to you?
She would like to be free. Call me, yeah. The little man now fuck the good. Better you fuck somebody else. Call me, yeah. Can I say the boy need it? Like can I say your pussy?
Oh, yeah, I need to give him his money.
Better you fuck somebody else.
What it be? Stop when you do your Snapchat. She talking to you. How's somebody in this?
Pussy girls if I'm in fashion, always trending. It's like me make you just fly like Gigi. She said she know we're on nowhere. All you want and say, make sure the children are health and safe. 'Cause when I say I love you,
Mama's getting them angles, huh? Alright, Rasta girl, bad girl, rude girl. These are pictures that Smiley took.
Got me some sugar cane, y'all.
The river. Smiley is gonna take your pictures. Be sure to tip him.
This is one of the oldest clocks there is on the damn island of Jamaica. And it's working too. It's right on nothing but black people. But don't be afraid. These are our people walking around here driving Benz. So this is the market area. I'm gonna get some gas. In Jamaica we never pump our own gas. But they are sick and pigs. But they how you do it. Everything bless y'all up top. Yo,
Oh, thank you.
we'll go to the gas station. There you come, son. So this is where the homeless people come to give cooking, give them food and stuff. Right here. This is one Main Street. This is where the bars and you got your Chinese Jamaican restaurant them down here, like the real Chinese food. Cooked by the Ching Sang. Yeah. That's where you find that.
Yes, I kick me a few teams. Smoking that Zaza, not yakking a mata. I'm in Jamaica speaking that patois. Pick up to the Gaza. I'm in Jamaica speaking that patois. Pick up to the Gaza. I'm in Jamaica speaking that patois. Pick up to the Gaza. I'm in Jamaica speaking that patois. Before I let go, you know I think
some girl has the rolling. She's got the touch I love so much, but now I'm disappointed. Watch me, man, I do the Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. That is a rap and pop up to the Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Look at this catch up.
So before we went to Margaritaville, we actually went to Dead End Beach and just like took pictures, you know, caught a little vibe. Nothing much, just, you know, had drunk, caught some vibes and stuff before we went. And then after we went, we took pictures right out by the casino outside of Margaritaville. And that's how our night went. It was a turned up lit night. All right, YouTube. This is today's outfit. We're going to the boat party in Cameron. Just a little, this is whenever I was packing my video. This is what I was talking about. Rich auntie vibes given. So that's what's the fit for the day.
From them I'm ready. Go DJ, that's my DJ. Go DJ, that's my DJ. Because bad man don't talk on the text.
How many say a version for the version? What is it? Brother,
Orange is the new block. That's right. Yellow is the new block. Oh my God. Jamar, do you feel the boat shaking? Jamar, do you feel the boat shaking? Oh my God. Oh my God. Give me my heart. Oh my God. Uh-oh.
okay, now ladies, you know you made.
Come on, we go. We gotta move from left to right on this one right now. Move from left to right. Move from left to right. Move from left to right. Half the tree. Half the tree. We go 1, 2, 3, let's go! Hey, 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 hey! I know that's right. It's service, it's service, it's service, it's service, it's service, it's service, it's service. Now walk it out, come on! Walk it out, come on! Walk it out, 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 walk it out. Well, man. I'm gonna sit up with Mr. Birthday. Hey! If you be before you come at night, before you gonna say hello. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Get something and feel the way. Get something and feel the way. Take off your hair and feel the way. Take off the seat and feel the way. Get something and feel the way. We get to the right of way. We get to the left way. Come on, say we not ready yet. We not ready yet. As I watch you, want to do that. So let me talk to you about where my engine will. Why you know that's such a when my heart to rise up such a to know that you come to my house. I see we got to be there. Still on the I crying. I feel like crying. I say mama let me I said, and I said, please come back.
100 of them, 100 of them.
See, when I come to Jamaica, I don't do all the touristy stuff. You gotta go get the local vibes to see really the culture of a place that you travel to. The difference between you guys are vacationing, I'm traveling. Two different things. See the real people. Support the real people, them. And then no better way to start the morning without your beef patty here in Jamaica. So the Green Grotto Caves is really like the quote unquote, I would just say like a Jamaican version of like the Underground Railroad. It's a lot of history, a lot of culture, and you learn a lot when you go. I would definitely recommend this as something that you would do, and as a tourist, to just kind of understand more of the culture and history of Jamaica.
Now, it's going to become even more interesting. That's a powerful light.
Yeah, Tasha, you were like bright.
Shine bright, make a diamond.